morning, students. This is Raj Gajendra Pillai, Kana Kingdom. Today we are going to learn about English grammar. Very interesting topic. You know what is the topic? Topic is adverb. We will be learning about adverbs. Be ready with your notebook and pencils so that you can take down all the necessary important examples as well as definitions. Now let's see what all we are going to learn in this topic, adverb. The table of contents. What are the table of contents of today's topic? The table of contents of today's topic adverb is, what is adverb? We are going to learn what is adverb. Types of adverb. Learn adverb through pictures. An exercise to do in the last LOS. Exercise to do in the last, as well as we will be doing it in the intervals also between the lessons. Right? So be ready. Write down the contents. What all we are going to learn. Give me 5 seconds. So now let's know about what is an adverb. What is an adverb? When we speak about adverb, an adverb is a word that describes a verb. What is verb? Verb is an action word. Whatever you do action, you read, you write, you sleep, you jump, you run, all these are the actions performed by you. It's called as verb. So an adverb is a word that describes a verb. An adjective or another adverb. It tells how often, when and where. What does an adverb do? Adverb describes a verb. An adjective or another verb. What does it do? An adverb is a word that describes a verb. It describes an adjective or another adverb. It tells how often, when and where. What is this? When and where? How often? We have to see some examples. Let's see some examples to understand it better. So now an adverb answers the question. What does an adverb does? Adverb describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Adverb tells what? How often, when and where. An adverb answers the question. When you say what is an adverb, it answers the question. Easily, always, after, away. How that work is done? That work is done easily. He had gone there happily. He dashed with his parents to the park. He happily went to the park with his parents. When we talk happily, he was shouting loudly. He was shouting loudly. When we say how he was shouting loudly. He ran to catch the bus quickly. So now this is what shows how. He ran to catch the bus. How? Quickly. Adverbs answers what? Action. How? Adverb answers the questions like, he has done the work easily. How often? He is dash in time. He is always in time. We talk about always. How often? He runs 1 kilometer. How often? Every day. He runs 1 kilometer every day. So now this is the example of how often. He comes here and goes. How often? Frequently. So now what is the adverb doing here? Frequently, always, every day. It is answering the question of how often. How. Now when? I will do my lunch after this work. So now is asking when. So when the question arises of when, adverb says about the answer. As he come, yes, he is already in. So now here it was a question where adverb has answered. He is already in. Where? Now we are asking about where. Adverb will answer it. He has threw that box. Where? Everywhere. The wind came and the kite flew away. When we talk about away, where? Is asking where. I want everybody to come where? Here. When we talk about here, adverb is answering here. So now understand about the questions of the adverb, how it answers. Now let's understand about adverb one more time. An adverb is a word that describes a verb. Verb is an action word. An adjective or another adverb. It describes. Adverb describes a verb, an adjective, and another adverb. It tells how often, when, and where. What does the adverb does? Adverb is a word that describes a verb, a adjective, another adverb. It tells how often, when, and where. All the answers which are arised. How will he do this work? He will do this work easily. How often? Regularly, frequently, never, once, sometimes, twice. He has to come here twice. When this is answered, this is an adverb used to show how often. He has not come here since that day. When we talk about since, what is this since? Since means when. As soon as he knew the answer, he was present here. As soon as he knew the answer, he was present here. When we talk about here, it was the question where. Now the answer is here. Since there is very cold, you should all come near the bonfire. When we talk about where, bonfire, near the bonfire. As it is very cold inside, let's go outside. Where we have to go? Where we are going? Outside. What is this outside? Look at the lots of crowds standing there. Look at lots of crowd. What is the lots of crowd? Where? There. Right? So now when you see how often, when, and where, wherever these are explained, this is an adverb answering. Now when we say sit in the class quietly. Sit in the class how? Quietly. You have to be patient and walk through. How? Silently. Right? So now how? When the answer questions how? Silently is the answer. Adverb answers the questions. When we say I also don't come to school. How often? When we ask how often you don't come, sometimes. right? Now, when the question arises, who has done this work? When did this happen? Yesterday. This thing happened yesterday. When we talk about when, where. About where, we'll take one small example of outside. We'll talk about outside. Where did he go? He was sitting here just now. He went outside. When we talk about he was here, he just went where? Outside. So now, wherever there are answers, wherever there are questions, how often, when and where, when this question arises, adverb answers it, right? So now, write about adverb. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. It tells how often, when and where. So now we learn more about adverbs. Adverb often end in ly. What are the words used? Ly. But some, such as fast, look exactly the same as their adjective counterparts. Adjectives often end with ly, but some, as fast, look exactly the same as adjective counterparts. For example, Tim Longboat did not run badly. Tim Longboat did not run badly. So what is this badly? Ly is used. So now, Tim Longboat, it's a name, did not run badly. Badly is the word used as adverb. Tom is very tall. How is Tom? Tom is very tall. The race finished too quickly. When did the race start and when did it finish? The race finished too quickly. Quickly is the word adverb. The race finished too quickly. Fortunately, Lucy recorded Tom's win. How? Fortunately. How did Lucy recorded Tom's win? Fortunately. It's easy to identify adverb in this sentence. It's easy to identify. Tom Longboat did not run badly. Means, how did he run? He did not run badly. So this badly is the adverb used here. Tom is very tall. When you talk about very tall, Tom is very tall. How? Very tall. So very tall. The race finished too quickly. When did the race finish? The race finished too quickly. Quickly is the adverb used here. Dash, Lucy recorded Tom's win. Fortunately, Lucy recorded. So now in this, it's easy to identify where it describes. What does it describe? It describes how tall he is, how the race finished, how did Lucy recorded Tom's win, fortunately. So all these answers which ends with ly. When we say ly, it's like, it looks similar. It looks similar. You have to just the action words which are added with ly, with ends with ly. Bad, badly. Quick, quickly. Fortunate, fortunately. Understood about this ly, usage of ly? Adverb often ends in ly. Right? We have ended all the adjectives, all the adverbs in ly. It is similar to the adjective counterparts. But you can identify it easily when you put a question mark with the sentence. The race finished how? Too quickly. How did Tim Longboat run. It did not run badly. Right? Lucy recorded Tom's win. How? Fortunately. The race finished. How? The race finished too quickly. So now here are the answers which you can easily identify. Please write it down. So now let's see an exercise to do. Circle the adverbs, underline the verbs that they describe. So now we finally got the grades from the test. So what is the verb and what is the adverb? We finally, when we say finally is the adverb. We finally got our grades from the test. What did we get? We got. Got is the word verb. So now we finally got. Right? Got is the verb. It's an action. Finally is adverb. Got is the verb. Jack walked his dog to the park quickly. When we talk about walk, walk is the action. Jack walked the dog. Walk is verb. Right? And dog to the park quickly. When we say how quickly, quickly is what? Quickly is the adverb. The balloon rose quickly in the sky. How did it rise? Rise is the action. So the balloon rose. Rose is the verb. How it rose? Quickly. Quickly is the adverb used here. Quickly in the sky. We danced. Dance is what? Dance is action. When we talk about dance, dance is an action. How? How we danced? We danced merrily. Merrily is the adverb used here. Right? So now, dance is verb, merrily is adverb. Lisa watched the game closely. What did Lisa do? Lisa watched the game. Lisa watched the game. Watch is what? Watch is verb. How did she watch the game? The ball game closely. So closely is what? Closely is the adverb. The player boldly ran from base to base. The player did what? The player boldly ran. Ran is what? Ran is the action. This is the verb. The player how? How did the player ran? Boldly. So boldly is what? Boldly is the adverb used here. My mom cares deeply about me. My mom cares. What is care? Care is action word. When we talk about action, cares. We say careful, care. Cares. Cares is the verb. How does your mom cares? Deeply. About who? Deeply about me. Deeply is adverb. I almost means I almost ate a rotten apple. Ate is what? Ate is verb. Eat, ate. Eat is verb. Ate is verb. I almost. When you talk about almost, it is an adverb used here. Tom plays football outside. What does Tom do? Tom plays. Play is again action word which says about verb. Play is verb. Where did he play football? Outside. Outside is an adverb of plays. It's an adverb. I already finished my homework. I already. What I did? Finished my homework. Finish is the action word where it says I am verb. Finish, finished. Finish is the verb. When? Already. Already is the adverb used in the sentence. So what all you have to need? Whatever I told is verb, you have to underline it and circle the adverb. Right? So now let's Look to the another page. Just write it down. Circle the adverb and underline the verb. Now let's see. There are types of adverbs. Adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place. We have to see, we will look into all these three. Adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place. We will know this thing better. Please write it down about the types of adverbs. So now let's look into the adverbs of manner. We will learn about adverbs of manner. An adverb of manner is the adverb such as strongly or slowly. We talk about strongly or slowly. That describes how and in what way the action of verb is carried out. What is adverb of manner? Adverb of manner is an adverb such as strongly or slowly. That describes how and in what way the action of a verb is being carried out. Forming adverbs from adjectives. You can see the list here. In the large number of cases, the adverb can be formed by simply adding ly to the adjectives. Whenever you see an adjectives, ly can be used in large numbers and form adverb. Adjectives, for example, let's see cheap. To make it an adverb, we use ly. Cheaply, chaply. In the second instance, quiet, quiet, quiet. We add an ly to make it an adverb, ly, quietly. Strong, strong, strong. It's an adjective. We are using ly to make it adverb, strongly. If the adjective ends with y, replace the y with l or y. Ready, read, ready. Readily, readily. Merry, 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 merrily, merrily, merrily. Easy, 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 easily, easily. What we are doing with the adjectives, we are adding ly to make it an adverb. You can see eagerly, happily, gently, hungrily, lazily, loudly, suddenly, hurriedly, generously, kindly, powerfully, gladly. See, these are all the adjectives which have been converted, which have been made into adverbs. We have formed adverbs of adjectives by adding ly. You can see the list, write it down. What is adverb of manner? Adverb of manner is a adverb such as strongly, slowly. That describes how and in what way the action of verb is carried out. So now let's see some more adverb of manner. Adverbs of manner answer the questions how. It tells us something happens. It is usually placed after the main verb or after the object. Right? So now what is adverb of manner? We have seen adverb of manner there. Now adverb of manner answers the question how. It tells us something happens. It is usually placed after the main verb or after the object. Right? So these are the words. He went to that place while coming. He fall down accidentally. When we say about accidentally, it's after the main verb. Right? So these are the words. Cheerfully. Everybody was happy. Everybody was dancing cheerfully. Everybody was doing the work and coming up and down eventually. Up and down is these are the verb, up and down eventually. So this is used, eventually is used after a verb. Everybody who came to the dinner had their food, but while eating they ate greedily. They ate greedily. It is an verb, action. Everybody ate greedily. Everybody went angrily. He was singing clearly. He was taking a count clearly. He was placing exactly. He was placing exactly. Everybody was receiving gift. Everybody went happily. Everybody went happily. When we say went, actions, went, came, everybody came happily. So how this is placed after verb. So now how, when the question raises how, and it is always manner, adverb of manner which is put after the verb. So now write it down. Now you understand how you answer the how in adverb and you identify it. Now let's go ahead, write it down. Now let's look at the exercise, adverb of manner. So now Arun painted the kitchen very badly. She speaks very quietly. Quietly. She knows the road well. She knows the road well. He plays the guitar terribly. Terribly. We are camping tomorrow, so we have to get you soon. We are camping tomorrow, so we have to get you early. Early is the answer here. We are going to the camping tomorrow, so we have to get you early. We are going to the camping tomorrow, so we have to get you early. Not soon, it's early. Early. So now got the answer. Arun painted the kitchen very badly. She speaks very quietly. She knows the road well. He plays the guitar terribly. We are going camping tomorrow, so we have to get you early. So these are the answers. Please note it down. So now let's know about adverb of time. What is adverb of time? The adverb tells us about the time of action. What does this adverb of time does? This adverb tells us about the time of action. Now, then, soon, tomorrow, yesterday, today, tonight, again, early, yesterday. When we talk about adverb, what is adverb of time? The adverb tells us about the time of action. Right? What does the adverb of time tells? The adverb of time tells us about the time of action. Now, we will do it now. You will be coming tomorrow. I was here yesterday. When you talk about today, tomorrow, yesterday, now, still, early, late. When you talk about all these things, time of action, this is called as time of action. The adverb tells us about times of actions. Now, then, soon, tomorrow, yesterday, today, tonight, again, early, yesterday. Let's see some examples. I will buy a computer tomorrow. I will buy a computer is a sentence. Adverb of time is used to show when. Tomorrow. The guest came When? Yesterday. Do it. When? Now. She is still waiting for her brother. She is waiting. When? Still. He got up. When? Early in the morning. He got up when? Early in the morning. I will buy a computer. When? Tomorrow. So now adverb of time is the time of action. It is adverb says about time of action. What time? Today, now, tomorrow. These are all the time of actions. Now you understood what is adverb of time? Write it down with the action. So let's see a small table of adverb of time. When, for how long, how often. When we say about adverb of time, what does it describes? It says, it answers when, for how long, how often. When it is asked, what will be done? Ask when, today. For how long? All day. How often? Sometimes. I will be there. For how long? All day. How often will this be done? Sometimes. Talk about, do you find it? We will do too. It will take long. For how long it will take? Not long. This is the thing which is done continuously. So how often this will be done? This will be done frequently. So now when you ask the question about when, for how long, how often, the adverb answers today, yesterday, later, now, last year. For how long, when the question is raised, the adverb of time answers all day, not long, for a while, since last year. Now when the question is there of how often, the adverb answers it, adverb of time answers it with sometimes, frequently, never, often, yearly, 6 monthly, weekly. So these are the adverb of time. Just to recollect it, write it, memorize it, and always repeat it so that you come to know how the adverb of time answers. There it was when, and here it is when, for how long, how often. So how adverb of time finds and answers about when, for how long, how often. Adverb always answers about when, for how long, how often. Write it down. So now let's look into exercise. So now we have learnt about adverb of time. Now let's see what is adverb of time. What is adverb of time? The adverb tells us about time of action. What does adverb of time tells us? The adverb tells us about the time of action. In the second one, the dash tells us about the time of action. The question, the blank is what? The dash tells us about the time of action. What tells us about the time of action? The adverb, right? The adverb tells us about the time of action. Identify adverb of time. He slept dash in night. He slept late in night. So late in night is adverb of time. I will buy the book today. Here I will buy the book today. Today is the adverb of time. He is still waiting for his sister. What is the time? Now, today, till, still. He is still waiting for his sister. Means he is still. Still means till now. Still waiting. Still is the adverb of time. Do your homework now. When we talk about do your homework now. Now is what? Now is the adverb of time. So he slept late in night. So late in night is the adverb of time. I will buy the book today. Today is the adverb of time. He is still, when we talk about the timings, he is still waiting. Still is what? Still is adverb of time. Do your homework now. Now is what? Now is again adverb of time. Please write it down. Now let's look into adverb of place. What is adverb of place? Adverb of place tells us about the place of action or where action occurs, occurred, or will occur. The place, adverb of place tells us about a place of action where the action happened, where the action is happening, where the action has happened. When we talk about where action occurs, which place it occurs, which place it occurred, which place it will occur. Right? So now here, there, near, somewhere, outside, ahead, on the top, at some place. When you talk about all these things, adverb of place tells us about the place of action. Place of action. Of where the action has been taken place, where it will take place, or where it will happen, or where it's happening. He will come here. For examples, let's see. He will come here. The children are playing outside. He is standing near the wall. There were kites on the top of hill. He lives somewhere in New York. What are all these? These are adverb of place, where adverb is telling about, answering about the place of action. He will come where? He will come here. The children are playing where? Outside. He was standing where? Near the wall. There they were flying kites on where? On the top of hill. He lives where? Somewhere in New York. Adverb of place is answering about place of action, where, how, here, there, near, somewhere, outside, ahead, on the top, at some place. It's answering about place of action. Now you understood? For your understanding, please write it down. Adverb of place tells us about the place of action, of where the action occurs. Or let's see, exercise to do. Read each sentence and decide how you think it should end. Use the adverb from the word bank to finish the sentence and describe where the action takes place. We have to play dash on rainy days inside. I know I left my phone right here. I keep seeing that commercial everywhere. A strong wind made my kite fly away. Moles like to dig underground. The crayons are dashed in the game room. The crayons are upstairs in the game room. So now I have answered it from the word bank. I have taken one answers and I have answered it with the adverbs. We have to play inside in rainy days. I know I left my phone right here. I keep seeing the commercial everywhere. A strong wind made my kite fly away. Moles likes to dig underground. The crayons are upstairs in the game room. So now write it down. Now let's have a quick look on more examples of adverb. Adverbs are the words that are used in sentence to describe or change the meaning of word or adjective or even another adverb. Adverbs are the words that are used in sentence to describe or change the meaning of a verb or adjective or even another adverb. Adverb of time: once, never, tomorrow, daily, etc. Adverb of time: once, never, tomorrow, daily, etc. She will visit the hospital tomorrow. The result were announced yesterday. Adverb of place: anywhere, somewhere, near, far, etc. They will meet you there. In spring, flowers bloom everywhere. Adverb of manner: honestly, joyfully, cunningly, etc. He quietly slipped away. She works fast. When we talk about adverbs of manner, he quietly slipped away. She works fast. So now we have seen the examples of adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner. What are adverbs? Adverbs are the words that are used in sentence to describe or change the meaning of verb or adjective or even another adverb. So now write it down. This was a quick look on what is adverb, adverb of time, adverb of place and adverb of manner. So now let's see what all we have learned. There is an exercise to do. So now circle the adverbs: happily, tomorrow, dinosaur, noisily, pretty, outside, quickly, cruelly, flower pot, daily, always, uncle, badly, gladly, before. So now we have to circle happily. Tomorrow is an adverb. Noisily, outside, quickly is an adverb. Cruelly is an adverb. Daily is an adverb. Always is an adverb. Badly is an adverb. Gladly is an adverb. Before is an adverb. We played dash because it was nice day. We played outside because it was a nice day. The bully treated us badly. My aunt leaves for China tomorrow. The cat mewed noisily for their dinner. I read dash because I love to learn. I read daily because I love to learn. We dash went with our dad to get ice cream. We happily went with our dad to get ice cream. The boy who behaved dash got a time out. The boy who behaved cruelly got a timed out. I dash ate the last chocolate donut. I gladly ate the last chocolate donut. My brother ran quickly to catch the bus. Dog dash love to eat bones. The dogs always love to eat a bone. Now we are done with the exercise. Happy learning. Today we have learned about adverb, adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time.